Thank you for visiting Shiba Inu land again. Here, we present you the most latest and fascinating Shiba Inu news. You can enter to win 100 million Shiba Inu coins by upvoting, subscribing, using the hashtag Shiba Inu, and watching the video all the way through. The winners will be chosen the following month and announced on the channel's community page. If you own any Shiba and need to view this, the Eth Merge could transmit Shiba and utilize the price of $1. When will the Eth emerge? How will it impact the Shiba's value in the new cryptocurrency, too? In today's video, I'll provide you with the answers to these queries as well as the most recent chip news and explain how it might increase your worth as Shiba. The most recent information is presented in this video in abundance. So be sure to watch the entire video to not miss this information that will increase the price. Here at Shiba Inu Land, we provide you the most exciting and up-to-date Shiba Inu news. You can enter to win 100 million Shiba Inu coins by upvoting, subscribing, using the hashtag Shiba Inu in your comments, and watching the entire video. The winners will be chosen the following month and announced on the channel's community page. But first, let's look at the chart and see how the price of Shiba is doing on August 12th before we get on to our issue. Today's Shiba news pricing is around 1236 units. With a $409 million trading volume during the past 24 hours, the price of chips has decreased by 2%. The token is presently the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of around $7.2 billion. There are 549 trillion Shib coins in circulation. However, due to coin burns and a total supply of 1 quadrillion, this number is decreasing daily. Nets is by far the greatest exchange if you were wanting to buy or trade Shiba Inus or any other cryptocurrency. You will receive $100 worth of free cryptocurrency or lower trading costs if you sign up through the link in my description. Let's catch you up on the most recent Shiba Inu coin news before we move on to the main plot of the film. So let's get started without wasting any time. Over 400,000 new holders of Shiba have retained their positions for more than a year. Ship owners enthusiastically anticipate the beginning of additional work on the Shiba in the current roadmap, and the number of long-term Shiba and new holders has surpassed the 3rd percentile threshold. According to Shibaswap auditors, 34% of wallets with 1.28 million holders have been empty for more than a year. This comes as more Shiba and fresh information about planned releases, from the gameplay for Shiba Eternity to rumors about the Shibarium testnet, emerge. With 34% of wallets now holding Shiba for more than a year, it is a new long-term holder. Shiba and new owners who don't sell for extended periods of time appear to be becoming more prevalent. Shin has been in 1/4 of wallets for more than a year, according to a report by World Crypto in June. This figure has increased by approximately 10% in just 2 months, indicating that many first entered SHIB around this time period in 2021 and have not yet sold. For between 6 and 12 months, about half of all SHIB owners have their own Shiba Inu. The significant shift rise in October and November of last year is probably where this 48% band of wallets originated. It would be really appreciated if you were still looking. Please click the like button if you can. It is completely free and really aids with channel support. Keep an eye out to learn when the E3 appears and how it will take off. Values Shives. The bogus Shiba Eternity apps are warned about by the new community of Shiba. The bogus Shiba Everlasting apps have been warned about by the Shiba and new community. This warning was issued by Queenie, the official SHIB's Discord moderator and a descendant of the growing breed, who explained that the Shiba Eternity game was still in its early stages of testing and as such was only accessible to players in Vietnam with approved tester accounts. August has been a busy month for the Shiba in the new neighborhood. After weeks of tease, the community was finally informed of the name of the Shift CCG game by Eternity at the beginning of August. The company added that it was collaborating with PlaySide Studios on a testing schedule and release at the time. Both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store will soon offer the Shiba Eternity game. Additionally, we got to watch portions of the Shiba Eternity game in action. That's what is now visible on your screen. How do you feel the game appears to be? Tell me in the comments section below. Let's move on to the primary point of the video for today. The Ethereum integration date is now official. For those who are unaware of the Ethereum merging and Ethereum 2.0, what should be enhanced in Ethereum 2.0? In order to avoid falling behind and finding the contemporary blockchains, Ethereum has to address the issues. Ethereum continues to be a leader in NFTs and defeat due to its pioneering role in smart contracts. But the Ethereum blockchain faces fierce competition from platforms like Terra and Solana. Ethereum 2.0, in addition to other minor adjustments, has one crucial duty in particular: the transition from proof of work to proof of stake. The Ethereum merging date was ultimately declared, and over the past few months, this conversion has been accomplished through a variety of changes that proof of stake intended to introduce gradually. For the majority of skeptics, the merger's claims were not even near to reality, but recent developments have pushed Ethereum expansion in new directions. Ethereum 2.0 Phase 0 development is divided broadly into three segments. The so-called beacon chain, created by Ethereum, is entirely based on the proof-of-stake consensus process. Separate blockchains organized using the beacon chain are part of the first phase's so-called shard chains. Phase 2 involves connecting the new beacon chain to the previous Ethereum 1 chain. When will the merger take place as Ethereum 2.0 emerges? Ethereum 2.0 is scheduled to launch on September 15th and 16th in 2022, according to a tweet from Banklists. Although there have been numerous delays up to this point, the community feels certain about this occasion this time. So how would this impact Shiba Inu's price? Well, we already know that it will significantly boost the value of cryptocurrencies. Therefore, if Barium and the Ether re-emerge in September, based only on Ethereum's market dominance, we may see most cryptocurrencies increasing in value in either direction with CI but forever. September will undoubtedly witness a spike in SHIB prices. As many of our subscribers have stated, they plan to keep millions of SHIB for the foreseeable future since they believe in new developers and the long-term potential of the currency. How many are you holding, guys? Please list all of your SHIBs in the comments area below. Let's thank the shareholder for having faith in and confidence in the process. Please give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying it. Additionally, share your thoughts on the Shiba in the new token in the comments, and be sure to enable post notifications to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Please be aware that cryptocurrency prices fluctuate regularly before we go. So it's possible that it will have changed completely by the time you watch this video. You shouldn't regard any of the material in this video as advice of any kind. It does not constitute financial advice, trading advice, investment advice, or any other kind of advice. To learn more about the most recent Shiba Inu news, watch the video currently playing on the screen. This video's information is intended for educational purposes only, not as financial advice. Prior to making any investing decisions, do your own research and speak with a financial professional.